Hello, dear students. My name is Mr. Karwan. I teach first grader students. My class is 1F. Today's subject is science, so take out your science book. Our topic for today is magnets move some things. It is on page 128. Open your science book, page 128. First of all, let me read for you the definition of magnet. Magnet, what is magnet? Magnet is a kind of iron. Okay, magnet is a kind of iron. Magnet attracts things made of iron only. Magnet attracts things made of iron only. Here we have the pictures of magnets. The first one, number one, is a picture of an iron, and number two, we have the picture of a magnet. Number two, we have a picture of a magnet that attracts some pins. Okay, pins made of iron. We all know that. More clear for you. Let's watch this video together.
These are all magnets. Magnets can do some amazing things, and they have some very interesting powers or forces. They're kind of like a scientific superhero. Here are some of our superheroes' interesting powers. Magnets can pull or attract certain types of metals toward them. Iron is the most common type of metal that is attracted to magnets. The magnet pulls an object made of iron toward it until the object sticks to the magnet. The magnet doesn't even have to touch the object to pull it.
Let's talk more about magnets. For example, we have this picture. Let me know, what do you see in this picture? Let me see, what do you see in this picture? Of course, you can see magnets, but are they the same? All the magnets are the same? Of course not, because we have different shapes of magnets. Magnets have different shapes. For example, in this picture, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 different shapes of magnets. And in the right side of the slide, we have, I gave you the exact page 129, to make it more clear for you in the book. We have the same page of the book. You can look at the different shapes of magnets. And if we look at the ideal type of a magnet, there's N and S on it. We have 2 letters, N and S. What does it mean? It means the N means north, the S means south. God willing, if when we go back to school, we will talk more about that. Okay. And now we talk about magnet force. The magnet's pull is called magnet force. I mean the force that a magnet have, okay, we call it magnet force. This force can pass through this force. The force of magnet can pass through glass, paper, cloth, and water. It is on page 130. For example, In this picture, a magnet pulls iron object through a glass of water. A magnet pulls iron objects through a glass of water. Okay, just like we have the same picture in the book. You can look at it. A magnet pulls iron inside the glass of water. Okay, the magnet can pull it. Okay, but don't forget the place. This experiment is so easy for you. I want all of you to repeat it at home, please. It's just like a homework for you. This experiment is so easy. All of you can do it. I want all of you to do that experiment as a homework and tell your parents to record it for us. You can later on send it for me or for your teacher. Okay, it's a homework. Don't forget it. At the end of the lesson, just like a revision for you, we have think about it. Think about it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 questions, just like a revision. I'm going to ask you these questions, then you answer me. Number 1. What is a magnet? What is a magnet? A magnet is a kind of iron. Okay. Number 2. What objects does a magnet pull? What objects does a magnet pull? Can you answer me? What objects does a magnet pull? Of course, these objects that made of iron. Number 3. What are some materials magnetic force can pass through? We said water, glass, what else? Water, glass, paper, and cloth. But please don't forget to do the experiment at home. The homework. Don't forget the homework. You have to send it to your teacher, or you can send it to me. Okay. We love you. We miss you. Stay safe. Bye bye.